So today I will describe in short why we have started ventilation in this child. What was the need to put this child on mechanical ventilation, that is invasive ventilation. So this child came in emergency in critical conditions, and on room air saturation was only 40 to 50%. When we gave oxygen, it increased to 60%. It was not going beyond 60%, even with all efforts. That's why we had to put this child on mechanical ventilation after intubating. So we intubated and put the child on mechanical ventilation. And there are two modes of ventilations we are operating here: volume control and pressure control. So this child has been put on pressure control. Now see, this is endotracheal tube, and there are two limbs of this ventilator tubing. So in one there is cup attached. This is expiratory limb. White colored is expiratory limb. Blue color is inspiratory limb. And this is humidifier. Ideally the temperature of humidifier should go up to 37 degrees Celsius. Here it is low, and now we are increasing it. And this is our ventilator settings. So it is displayed here. So on the lower side here, the horizontal line, this is the set parameters. Set parameters, what set parameters we have set? So we can see this is on SIMB, pressure control plus pressure support. So this is SIMB means synchronized. So we are synchronizing the ventilation with the child, and we have set some rate. So this rate is SIMB rate 30, and 30 breaths will be given by the ventilator. If the child initiates, it will support. If the child will not initiate, it will mandatorily give 30 breaths. And if the child is breathing at more rate, then we have put pressure support. So all the breaths will be supported by the pressure support. So what parameters we have set here? See, FiO2 40%, PEEP 5, SIMB rate 30, and PC above PEEP is 20. So here in this ventilator, PIP is 20 plus 5, that is 25 is the PIP. So these are the set parameters. Now here on this limb, vertical limb, right side, it is displayed parameter. So we have to see what setting we have done is being displayed, delivered or not, delivered parameter. So this is the delivered parameter. These are set parameters, these are delivered parameters. See, we have set oxygen 40%, FiO2 40%. Here also we can see this is 41%. Similar, if it is 40% and it is showing 0, it means oxygen is not being supplied, there is some problem. Likewise, see, here we have set PEEP 5, here it is 5. We have set this PIP 20 plus 5, 25, it is 24, almost similar. P mean is here 11. So these are the delivered parameters. And see here, tidal volume, inspiratory, expiratory, and this is minute volume. Minute volume is tidal volume into respiratory rate. So these are the delivered parameters. Now see the graphs I have explained you already. So this mid is the flow time, upper is the pressure time, lower is the volume time. So we have put the child on pressure control mode. See, SIMB pressure control. So the pressure is controlled. So the pressure PIP, PEP is fixed here. The graph is fixed, square separate. But flow will change according to the dynamics of the lung. Tidal volume will change according to the dynamics of the lung. And see here the pink line, pink is the on breath of the patient. So we can see here the graphics, that is scalars, and we can see what is going on and on which control it is done. So if this is fixed, it is on pressure control. Pressure control, the pressure time will be fixed, this graph will be fixed, similar, but these will change. If it is on the volume control, then what will happen? Flow is fixed. So such type of a square, fixed type of a square will come in this flow time graphics, but in that case pressure will change according to the dynamics of the lung, conditions of the lung. So this will be variable and tidal volume also will be variable. So in this pressure control we have fixed the pressure to generate a certain tidal volume. It is being displayed here, but this tidal volume will vary according to the dynamics of the lung. So this is in short, we have set the ventilator. We'll talk in detail sometimes else. Thank you very much.